In this video, we're going to talk about how to do a physical inventory in the FireFly POS system. The first step is to go to Reports, Inventory, and select the physical inventory worksheet for the period that you'll be counting. This allows you to generate a printed sheet that you can write your counts on. Now let's go to Inventory and click on Physical Inventory. The first step is to choose the inventory cycle. We'll choose weekly. We have the option to customize this and select a particular vendor or category if we want to limit our inventory count. It's also important to make sure that you've got the correct date here. The system assumes that the inventory will be posted as of the end of day or close of business for this date. So if you're entering counts that you counted last night, for example, make sure you change the date to yesterday. Down here we've got a list of all of our ingredients that we need to count. They're organized by location and then by ingredient number. Some ingredients might be in multiple locations. For example, let's take a look at mozzarella. We can count how much we have in the walk-in and how much we have on the make line. So in this case, I'm going to enter that I have 23 pounds in the walk-in, and this will tell me that that's going to result in a 32-ounce adjustment. But I also have some on the make line as well. I've got 25 ounces on the make line. I'm going to be recording a 7-ounce adjustment. Alright, let's look at another ingredient. For chicken breast, I've only got this in one location. I'm going to go ahead and enter my count. I've got 9 5-pound bags, and I can see that that's right on, so I get a green check mark. Now let's talk about a recipe ingredient, like our famous tomato sauce. The tomato sauce is made up of several other ingredients, so when I count that I have 64 ounces on hand, it automatically breaks that in to the counts for these other ingredients that are included, such as tomato paste, white onions, and tomatoes. I can then round that out with the remaining count that I have for my white onions and see where I end up. Go ahead and enter the counts for all of your items. Keep in mind you might not have counts in every measurement unit for every item. When you're done, you can click Post. The adjustments will be made to your on-hand quantities. The physical inventory adjustments are viewed on the Inventory Adjustment Report. Let's take a look. This lists all sorts of adjustments, but we're going to look at the category for physical inventory, and we can see the adjustments that we just made for a total value of $3.61. If you ever make a mistake editing your physical inventory, you can just select it and click Edit Last to make a change to the posting. Of course, this does require proper security. We have several security settings to take a look at related to inventory. In the manager's functions, changing an inventory posting is what allows you to edit the physical inventory, as well as invoice receipts. You also have the option to allow inventory adjustments and inventory price changes. Aside from a physical inventory, you may want to adjust your on-hand quantity for other reasons. You can use the Adjust function to select any particular ingredient and enter either a new quantity or an adjustment. So I can say that my adjustment is that I'm going to waste 5 pounds, and the reason was that it was spoiled. I can also use this to transfer ingredients in or out to another location. Those adjustments will also appear on your inventory adjustment report. Another way is to make a waste adjustment in the POS. This is useful if you make an item incorrectly and need to remake it, therefore wasting all of the ingredients involved. I bring up the item, click Options, Waste, and an inventory adjustment will be recorded. So that's how you use the physical inventory in the FireFly POS system.